And now we can actually start drawing our first character. I will make a very simple cat, and later on we're gonna make a blink animation for the cat. So let's start drawing. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select my brush tool, my classic brush tool. It uses the shortcut B, and then I'm gonna pick a color for my cat. To do that, I can mix a color over here, or I can go to the swatches and pick any of the pre-made colors that I have. I will use this pinkish color right over here, and I'll try to make my cat character. So let's start drawing. If you don't like the line that you're making or the drawing that you're making, you can always use the shortcut Control or Command Z to go one step backwards. I use that command a lot, all the time, so it's very good to remember it. So let's start drawing. I'm gonna quickly create a cat character. That's kind of fat cat, I guess. And now I will continue by doing the eyes. Two big round eyes. And let's say that the nose will be heart-shaped. And some cute smile. And I'm gonna fill in some of the eyes. There you go. And now I can actually start decorating my cat. Let's say that I'm gonna make some stripes over here on top, some stripes on the side, maybe some on this side as well. And let's say that I wanna make some whiskers, but my line is too thick for a whisker. I want the whiskers to be thinner. So what I can do is I'm gonna go to the properties bar over here. You will notice that the properties bar has changed. That is because each tool has its own different properties. Selecting a different tool from the toolbar will give you different properties for each tool. And the brush tool has its own properties. From here, you can change the fill color, you can change its opacity, you can change the brush type, the size, the minimum size of the brush, or the smoothing. I want to make my whiskers a little bit thinner. So instead of 6, I'm going to type over here, let's say 3. And let's see how that's going to look like. Yeah, that's way better. Okay, good enough. Okay, but now I want to go back to 6 just because I want to continue drawing on my character. 6, and I'm going to hit return. To finish my character, I want to make some paws that are right over here in front, and that will make my cat look like it's looking through a window or something. So I'm going to make a 3-finger paw on this side and on this side also. And what is a cat without a tail? Let's add a simple tail over here on the side. And that makes our character way more complete. Okay, but now I have some overlapping lines over here that I want to delete, and the easiest thing that I can do is grab the eraser tool, which is right over here, or you can use the shortcut E on the keyboard to jump right into it. From here, you can also take a look at the properties and you can change the size of it. Let's say that this is a good enough size for me, so I'm just gonna delete some of the lines over here that I don't really want to have. And yeah, that looks pretty cool.